Hello friends, NEOPIN started a new campaign, NEOPIN swap competition. Campaign period February 19, 2024 to March 11, 2024. Prize pool up to 7,000 USDT. Eligibility criteria is NEOPIN user including those who connect their wallet with MetaMask and Kaikas. How to participate? You need to click on the link I provided into the description and swap at least once in any newly added pools. The target pools I mentioned into the description you can check from my description. From criteria, top 5 participants with the highest total trading volume. 170 lucky draw winners holding a high NEOPIN club membership tier will increase your chance of winning. Winner announcement on or before March 18, 2024. Reward distribution on or before March 25, 2024. All activities and transactions must be conducted within this time frame to qualify for the participation and reward. Please make sure to check the swap rate before executing the swap. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe our channel